As you can see here, today we've got ourselves some Pinewood Derby cars. My siblings made these, and they don't weigh 5 ounces, so I need to make them weigh 5 ounces so they can race them. So tons of fun for them, but I gotta add the lead weights to the bottom. And so I just melted down some lead, hammered it into sheets, cut it up so it fit, and then put it on there. You saw the first one was the DeLorean. That was pretty cool. And then this one's like a Mustang. I can't remember what it was. But yeah, that was cool. And then I just melted down more lead so I could, have plenty for the next couple. One of those was Skeletor's, like a thingamajigger that has lasers. You see it there next to the DeLorean on the racetrack. And then we got these ones racing. It was a lot of fun to put lead on the bottom.